Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to unbox and review fashion ride block heels sandal which I bought from Amazon. So let's begin. Firstly, the hilarious packing can be seen in the video. Never mind, this is a pair of block heels, which I bought for 299 rupees. My first impressions are not that great as a product differs from that shown in Amazon. As I can see, it is made out of velvet material and it comes with angled straps which seems to be fine. The product does look pretty, but I am not sure about the durability, as the glue used here and all doesn't give that confidence and vibe. Contrary to what the product claims, it certainly does not come with a comfortable sole. Overall, it is a okay product and I would have been more happy if I had got it for rupees 200 to 250 price range. Anyways, let's try this and see how it looks, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing our channel. Thank you.